Hello everyone, let's discuss the SQL order by query. SQL order by query is used to sort the result set by one or more columns. Syntax of SQL order by query is select column name from table name, order by column name, and two keywords will be used, ASC and DESC. ASC is used for ascending order, DESC is used for descending order. Let's do the practical. Show databases. Let's select the employee database. Show tables. How many tables are there? Okay, there is employee table. Let's see how many records are there. Select all columns from EMP. We have 6 records. Let's order let's change the order of the table in descending. Okay, so select all columns from EMP table, order by ID column, and change the order in descending. So as you can see, highest value comes first and lowest value comes in the last. You can also change the other columns. You can sort out the table with respect to other columns, just like names, and just like designation. So you can see this table has been sorted out in descending order with respect to the designation column. So the highest order of the character will comes first. I is the highest order character, and the lowest order character of the lowest character with has been shown in last. Okay, so you can also change the order by salary, and you will see that the highest salary will come first. Okay, so you can change the from descending to ascending order. So now we'll see that in ascending order the lowest value comes first and the highest value comes last. And let's change the order in by ID column. So the highest value comes in the last and lowest value comes in first. So you can also change the order by other columns such as name. So the highest order of the character comes in last, and the lowest order of the character comes in first. Okay, so you can also check the other columns also. Department. Okay, so the lowest character order character has been shown in first. A is the lowest character and E is the highest character order in alphabet. So E comes last and A comes in first. So this is how order by query works. Thank you for now.